Here we are driving from Akeley, Minnesota to Bacchus. It's Monday, June 13th. Time to pick up the Scamp. Bacchus is about 20 miles and we've come into some rain. We're approaching the Scamp Headquarters here in Bacchus, and there's the Scamp up on the top of the pole. And here we are.
You're in good hands.
Oh.
Have you looked at the reclining camper before?
No.
That's our Scamp.
We rented a Scamp for a night. We rented about 6 months ago. We kind of got a little bit familiar with it, but we really need a kind of the basics, you know.
Perfect.
On how to work with everything. So.
Perfect. Well, I'm going to show you your camper. I'm going to start on the outside and then we'll go on the inside.
Okay.
So you have a door latch.
Right.
Always make sure that this door stays latched.
Okay.
If you're going to leave it open, because the wind can take it and it can hit against your belly band.
Ah, yes. Okay.
There's your screen door.
Right.
You have a button right here. You push that down. Follow it all the way back.
Okay. Right.
You have two switches. The first one is your porch light. The second one is in front of your propane tank.
Okay.
This is the vent for your refrigerator. This sucks in cold air, blows out hot air.
Okay. All right.
Down here, you have your 13-inch tire.
Mm-hmm.
There's a rubber seal right here.
Okay.
You're gonna pop that off every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. You're gonna give it 3 squirts of grease every 10,000 to 12,000 miles. You're gonna have your tires taken off and your bearings repacked with grease.
I see. Okay. All right.
This is your outside shower.
Mm-hmm.
This is your outside GFI. This only works when you're plugged in on the other side.
Okay. Oh, plugged in on the other side. You mean so? Okay. So.
It's a shore power. Yep.
Shore power. Getcha. Okay. All right. Okay.
This is your 12-gallon freshwater tank. Right now there is RV antifreeze in it, so that's got to be drained and flushed out before you can use your freshwater tank.
I see. Okay.
Down here, right here, and on the other side, these are your stabilizers.
Right.
You have a hand crank, and this is where it goes onto, so you can crank them down, crank them up. Make sure that they're always up when you're traveling.
Right. Right.
You have your tail lights. This is your full-size spare. It is aired up and it's ready to go.
Okay.
Down here, you have a bike rack or luggage rack, only 200-pound capacity.
Okay. All right.
Right here, you have your 31 temporary registration until you get to where you're going, so you can register it in your state.
Gotcha. Okay.
Right here, you have a 25-foot power cord. This is a 15-amp adapter.
Okay.
Okay, this will run your whole trailer. You do get one of these. There is one in the inside. Plugs into a regular extension cord into a regular outlet.
I see. So there's one on the inside. So there's another.
No, you get one of
Oh,
these.
the adapters on the
Yep.
inside. I see. Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha.
So it plugs in just like that.
Okay.
Down here, you have a gray water tank, and you also have a black water tank. Okay. You get one hose. This is where your hose is stored.
Okay.
This is, you're gonna pull this out. You're gonna untwist that, twist this on, give this a pull. That's how you're gonna drain your gray water tank. It is
Right.
22 gallons.
Okay.
Okay? We always recommend that you drain your black water first, then come and drain your gray water so it flushes out the...
Right.
You have your water heater. And right now there is RV antifreeze, so we do have your plug out. Your plug is on the inside of your trailer.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. And is there a pilot light in there?
There will be when you light it from the inside.
Oh, from the inside.
Yep.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, all right.
Oh, from inside now? It wasn't. Oh, it's not like before, right?
Nope.
Before. Oh, you gotta show us because the one we know is kind of like you have to light it here.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, I guess they changed that around.
Wow.
Yeah.
When did they make the change? Last.
I think last year.
Great. Oh my
Yep.
gosh, so much easier, right?
Yeah, it'll be way easier. Right here, you have your city water connection.
Okay.
Just hooks up to a regular hose. This is for your furnace. This sucks in cool air, pushes out hot air. It does get hot, so don't touch it and don't lean anything against it when you're using it.
Okay.
Okay,
Furnace.
down here, this is your black water. Okay, right here,
Right.
you're gonna unscrew this, you're gonna give this a pull to drain your black water.
Okay.
There is adapters in the parts department to bring this down, so it's an easier access.
Oh.
So if that's something you're, you know,
Adapter. Okay.
so yeah, it just brings it, you know, down here. So this is the vent for your toilet.
Oh. Okay.
You have the 27 series battery.
Mhm.
This is your breakaway. Are you familiar with these at all?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'll explain it anyways. So, this gets hooked directly to your vehicle. Never
Right.
hook it to your trailer, never hook it to your safety chains, okay? With that being said, if your trailer would to be detached from your vehicle and your safety chains were to fail, this is going to pull out. There's a pin in the inside and it's going to set your emergency brakes on your trailer.
Oh.
It's going to lock them up.
Okay.
Okay? With that being said, never use this as a parking brake
Right.
or you will drain your battery.
Oh.
So don't pull it out to use it as a parking brake.
I
You'll
see.
drain your battery.
All right.
It's only for emergencies.
Right. Yeah, because it's an electric brake.
Yep.
Yeah, system. Yeah. Mhm.
Yep.
Can you understand that? Yeah. Okay.
You
Okay.
have a single propane tank.
Right.
Right now it is on because I had to light everything on the inside.
Right.
This is your gauge and it is full.
Uh-huh.
Oh, now this is new too, I think, right? Like
Yep.
add it. Oh gosh, that's cool.
This is your 7-way that gets hooked up to your vehicle. And then your safety chain.